Hi friends, welcome to Foodie Bites. Today we are doing Gongura Pappu. So let's get started. For this recipe you can use fresh Gongura leaves, but I am using dry Gongura. I soaked dry Gongura leaves for 10 minutes and washed tur and chana dal. I added tomato, green chilies, soaked Gongura leaves, mix it well and close the lid. And cook it for 6 whistles. Let it cool and open the lid after some time. Now dal is cooked perfectly. Mix it well and add water to it. Mix it once and add salt and bring it to boil. After it gets boiled, in another pan for talimpu tadka, heat oil, add mustard seeds, jeera seeds, red chili and turmeric. Add this talimpu to dal. Garnish with fried garlic, and it is ready to serve. Gongura Pappu is ready. Hope you all liked the video. Enjoy Gongura Pappu and give it hot rice. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe for Foodie Bites. For more video updates, press bell icon.